神羅転生
A spider?
Yes, she's a spider.
A fairy?
Yes, Venti's a fairy.
He's a cat?
Yes, Kachig is a cat.
He's a witch?
Yes, Mona's a witch. This is a hard one.
A cat?
Close enough.
A daddy?
He called I look daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah, he's daddy.
Mommy?
Yeah, she's mommy. Oh my god, this kid.
料理の時間だよ。
Star-Snatched Cliff is known for its views. Which should I choose?
お前はもう死んでいる。何？ And his name is John Lee. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off.
This one it is, right? I guess I'll just do this one. Alright, let's do it. Let's roll. I have no idea who any of these characters are, so let's see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Cool swords. Another cool sword. Another cool club. Who's this? Ke-Qing. Wow. No. Is this rare? I don't know. Is this a good character? Wow. Okay. Everyone's freaking out. I guess this is a good pool, right? Dope. I like. She looks great.
Top 2 spear users in Genshin Impact. Number 2, Zhongli. Number 1, Xiangling. Thanks for watching.
Never mind, Zhongli. As the lyric proverb goes, all things
I neither know nor do I wish to know.
Bruh.
As far as I am concerned, I am concerned.
Stabilize. Oh, yes. I will have order. He's gonna. But.
Ah, wonderful.
तुम्हारे तो साइक्लिंग दोस्तों में हाइकिंग हुआ था यार तलाक
हाइकिंग होता था
फर्किँदा मात्र 3 घण्टा लाएर हामीले छोड्यो माथि फर्किँदा 10 मिनेट लगाइदिएर
त्यो बाटो त राम्रै अपहिल थियो यार
We'll have a burger.
Pay to win. Oh, you're in a fight! Oh, okay, wait. Oh my god, dude, move.
Why are you running? Why are you running?